What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Outline Garage. Today we're working on the truck, and we're going to turn the headlights from this to this. Fight
So you've already taken off 2 screws on the front and then one up top, and then now you're looking for a hidden one in the back.
Let's see it. I know there is one back here.
Alright guys, so I figured it out. There's actually that hole right there, that first one, has a 10mm bolt. Had to get a little ratcheting wrench there, and yeah, that one's holding it in. So make sure you get that. It's pretty easy to get to once you get this free. So now EP is going to go ahead and show us the new lights in comparison to these older ones.
That's quite a bit of a difference.
I'm gonna be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of the extra orange.
Yeah. It's $40. Can't really complain.
I can. So now we're gonna go ahead and take off the front plastics in a way that does not break them.
Which is very, very impossible.
It looks like they just slide.
They're locked into the tab and they slide. Oh, careful.
Yeah, see? Look, they just slide. So they got this little tab here.
I broke it.
Push slide.
I already... Freaking A. I wonder if I can pull them out this way.
No. Because this is the part that slides out and releases it.
I love how you're touching it and it's cracking.
So is that released?
No.
Wow. Yeah, that broke.
I told you to be careful.
I didn't break it. Yeah, see, there's a better view of it. So good news, bad news. AP got the bottom panel off and switched over the wire harness, so that's all ready. The only problem is part of the tab broke, so that's getting glued now. I guess we still have to swap over. Where's the other white tabs?
No, they came off with it.
Oh. Okay, so we'll push those on that one. And now we're just working on the other headlight, which that should go a lot easier since now we know about the mystery bolt on the side. AP said he watched a video and that was not part of it.
I don't know if it's a... There's a flathead.
Huh?
I don't know if it's a newer Titan exclusive or what. I don't know if they came on the weights and newer, but that extra screw. But it wasn't on all of the YouTube videos that I watch on how to take these out.
Yep, so we're going to go ahead and pull that one off, and I guess jump to when we're installing the new lights. Which one did you put in? The new hyper light? Nothing at all. Did you have a 50-50 chance to do polarization right on 2 lights and 100% failed?
Yes.
Yep. Wait, don't put it in yet. I want to see it. So that's the super bright light LED. which is actually really cool looking. And then you gotta get the Mini, right?
I don't know what the Mini actually does.
Turn the flashers or turn signal on. No, it's the super bright one. That was on the side or that was in the center? The Mini one? Where was that? So start the truck real quick. Headlights on. Turn signal again. Maybe reverse the polarity.
Oh my God, it's turned fast.
Yeah, you need a better draw. So you definitely need to fix that.
Where?
Small one right there. There you go.
Why?
Yeah, that's your side marker. I love how you had 50-50 chance to get at least 50% right.
And I got all of them.
And 100% failed. And this is why we test things. Alright, so now that's good. I want to go ahead and show you guys the lights that we use. Here's the amber, cool looking one, as well as the side marker LED. That's the number right there. That's cool lights. AP's just going and installing the new ones in. Got one down almost. We'll work on that one.
Alright guys, well that wraps up putting the headlights on. So you can see it's a pretty big difference. These are actually the 08 newer headlights, which fit, but as you can see, it's a little bit different with the amber up here. We've got to sand these down a little bit and clear them at some point, but we'll probably do that another night. This actually took a little bit longer than I was expecting because these are definitely the most complicated headlights I've ever taken out of any vehicle, and it's kind of ridiculous how complicated they are for headlights. So we'll go ahead and sand these down at some point. It's got a little bit yellowing up here, but it doesn't have any cracks like the other ones did. I was going to sand mine down before, but there's like a bunch of pressure cracks, which is going to still look like crap. So yeah, eventually we're going to put in the light bar here. Oxbeam, I actually ordered the ones that have the tracks on the top, and they sent me the wrong one, and I can't make this work like this because it's not going to end up where I want it. So basically for the Titans, there's three little cap things here. If you pop this one out and this one out, and you use the ones with the track, all you got to do is put it up and then bolt it in. Boom, boom, done. That's what I wanted to do, but I was trying to make it work like this, and there's no real good way of doing it. I mean, the only way to work would be like this, but then it sticks out kind of a little bit farther than I wanted. Plus, there's a gap in between here, and it's just a mess. So, I might just order another light bar and do something with this. I don't know yet. I am going to look for another grill surround. I was planning on doing it anyways. I wanted to get a whole new bumper because this is knocked in, the corner's knocked in over there. Of course, the truck's filthy because I drive it all the time. But it originally had the holes drilled in here for the front license plate, which I didn't like, so I was going to replace this anyways. So I was kind of cutting this up to figure out a way of fitting this way, and it just isn't going to work. So I guess I'll order the right one, and that'll be super easy to install. We'll do another video on how to do all of that. So, Alright guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button below. Leave a comment with any tips or tricks that you found to take these headlights off because they're a pain in the butt. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.